If principle is broken, you disassociate from it, and decisively so. Same in MK. And we can't have political culture like that. We must be able to, when you raise issues internally sharply, you don't have to go and gossip about it anyway. Even against all odds, there is an opportunity to raise an issue about wrongdoing. I would speak and clearly speak against the untouchables there. People who take drugs and tweet at night and insult us. And we'll confront them and say, what is this about?
Former Secretary General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Floyd Shivambu, has spoken out for the first time since his dramatic removal from the party's top leadership structure, revealing explosive claims about reasons behind his ousting and taking aim at what he describes as campaign driven by lies, internal betrayal and personal attacks. Shivambu, who was officially removed from his position on June 3, said the justification by the party officials was rooted in what he called bizarre and rubbish intelligence report. The report allegedly accused him of conspiring to overthrow party leader and former President Jacob Zuma, and said, "I want to put it on record. The reason that was given to me by the national officials, they claimed I was trying to remove President Zuma from the leadership of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. They said the structures I was establishing and the leaders I was identifying were part of a plot to dethrone Zuma and to support this narrative. They presented a fake intelligence report that accused me of raising funds across the African continent to execute this plan." Shivambu said this during a press briefing on Thursday. The embattled former Secretary General also addressed the recent personal attacks, notably a Twitter tirade from Umkhonto weSizwe Party Member of Parliament Duduzile Zuma Sampudla, the daughter of Jacob Zuma, reportedly lashed out at Shivambu in a series of late-night posts branding him the worst Secretary General the Umkhonto weSizwe Party has ever had, and telling him to fuck off, further fueling tensions within the party. Shivambu has dismissed these accusations, saying that he has always spoken out against the untouchables, a reference to the party members who take drugs, tweet at night and insult others. Reacting to the recent spate of infighting, Jacob Zuma has warned party members against ill discipline and disloyalty, emphasizing that the Umkhonto weSizwe Party will not tolerate disorder, regardless of individuals' popularity and credentials. Zuma said, "If one of us goes off track, we don't back them." Zuma said in a firm rebuke on Monday, and said, "We've had 7 Secretary Generals already because we are not here to play games. We don't care how great or loved you are. What matters is the party." The former president remarks come amid swelling allegations and a growing sense of division within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party ranks, which continues to face scrutiny over internal governance and leadership instability. Despite the drama, Shivambu has no immediate plans to resign from the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. However, he confirmed that he is serious considering launching a new political movement and said, "I will be consulting with South Africans about the possibility of forming a new political party. I'm going to meet with leaders and stakeholders across the country before making any final decision." His announcement could signal a potential shake-up in South Africa's already crowded political landscape, as dissatisfaction within the MK Party and public intrigue over its inner working continue to mount. Whether Floyd Shivambu will remain a vocal member of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party or carve out a new path in the politics remains to be seen. But one thing is clear, the battle for the soul of the MK Party is far from over. Shivambu also made startling revelations, alleging that Zuma is surrounded by political scoundrels who exploit the former president's kindness and gullibility to siphon funds from the MK Party. He claimed that 7 million rand is being withdrawn from the party coffers every month, and said, "We raised it internally that stop what you are doing because you are going to get the party to deregistered as a political party because there is no sound reason on what has been happening." He added that the party's Treasury General did not resign, but was forcibly removed to allow the looting of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's resources. Shivambu also ruled out a return to the Economic Freedom Fighters, a party he once served as a deputy president, calling it a cult, and said, "I learned more as a member of Umkhonto weSizwe Party than I learned as a deputy president of the EFF. He also dismissed any possibility of joining the African National Congress, describing it as a directionless and captured by wide interest, and said there is no self-respecting person who will join both the ANC or EFF. He further said that a political party should never be an individual project. It must never be a family project. A political party should not be a tribal or ethnic project. The former MK Party national organizer further emphasized that a party should not be started for the sake of a personal gain or to serve as a cult, and said, "I have not resigned from Umkhonto weSizwe Party and I will never resign from Umkhonto weSizwe Party." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.